This is the Airbrush Kit. They give you plenty of cleaning rods. Charging cable. Nozzle. And some other brushes inside there. So you got a couple modes. And it even shows your battery display on there. Couple things, you have a small tank, larger tank, and you have much larger as well. Thread this on the top here, like this. And then you can take the top off, like that. Place your paint down inside. They do not provide you any sample paint, so I do want to point that out, make that clear. You're going to then take your hose here. You're going to connect this end on. So that just threads on. You're going to take your other connection here, and that's going to thread from the bottom here. Thread that on. Now, once you have your paint inside, you'll be ready to go. And then you can use this to adjust the spray as you're going along and you're airbrushing. It's that simple. A couple ways you can hold this. A lot of people like to hold it just like this. And that's how it works, guys.